promise to keep you updated on the latest in township development in the weeks to come. Now, like many of us, Dr. Subhash Chandra has been keen on the idea of living in an integrated township. And with township development likely to be back on track, he doesn't want to delay his investment. So we decided to help him choose the right project, and here's our pick for him.
On a rare day off from his appointments, Dr. Subhash Chandra and his wife Madhu are out scouting for property. Scanning one project after the other, Subhash tells us why he keeps returning to Crossings Republic, an upcoming integrated township on the NH24 Ghaziabad.
Because of the facilities like a hospital and hotels and this 5-star and university, schools, for that it's good to live in an integrated township.
But with more than 7 developers offering homes in this township, choosing one was proving difficult. After some careful scrutiny and help from real estate, the Chandras finally zeroed in on Asotech's project The Nest. The site manager told Subhash and Madhu that the 2 BHK they are looking for will come at 27,30,000 rupees. It will have a super area of 1,215 square feet and a carpet area of 1,000 square feet. Slated for completion towards the year end, an apartment in The Nest will come with the advantage of the rooms extendable into larger spaces. It will also allow its buyers access to the township's common amenities such as a golf course, retail centre and a police and fire station.
Housing in an integrated township does make sense because integrated township is the thing of the day. So if you look at it, one needs a house, one needs a good place to live in, one needs good ambience and everything. An integrated township can offer you all this. It's a one-stop shop, You stay there, you work there, walk at work.
The expert believes that an integrated township has enough going for it to work for buyers like Dr. Chandra. And at the end of a thorough look at the project and its progress, Subhash has little reason to differ.
The project is fine. We have seen according to our need and the area and the location and construction, all things we have seen. This is very nice.
Dr. Chandra and his family are already planning to shift base to this integrated project, and with all their daily needs to be met at walking distance, they hope to spend less time on the roads and more in the comfort of their brand new home.